From high atop Healthcare Hill in Central Maryland, this is BSN Headline News. Today's top story is Bon Secours Health System receives a national award for excellence in delivering high-quality, cost-effective care. It will come as no surprise to most of our viewers that Premier Healthcare has recognized BSHSI in Premier's first-ever Excellence Award. Yes, Bon Secours Health System, Inc. has been recognized by Premier, a National Healthcare Performance Improvement Alliance, for its commitment to excellence and leadership in providing high-quality, effective care. This first-ever national award, called the Excellence Award, recognizes a Premier member health system for leading the advancement of the Alliance's efforts over the previous year by collaborating to enhance the quality and cost-effectiveness of care. Bon Secours was selected for our ability to help the Alliance set new standards in quality by focusing on clinical transformation and identifying new ways for members to manage costs while taking advantage of every savings opportunity. According to Premier President and CEO Susan DeVore, in determining the inaugural winner for this award, we looked across the entire Alliance for the best representation of excellence and innovation in leadership. Bon Secours stood out as having demonstrated a consistent drive for excellence and superior performance. Some of the BSHSI achievements as an owner and member of the Premier Alliance include more overall awards received than any other health system in year 5 of the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services Premier Hospital Quality Incentive Demonstration Value-Based Project. Top performance in the Quest High Performance Hospitals National Quality and Cost Improvement Collaborative. BSHSI received the Premier Award for Quality 4 times. BSHSI received Premier's Supply Chain Excellence Award 3 times, and BSHSI received Premier's Culinary Creations Award. Bon Secours also participates in Premier's Accountable Care Implementation Collaborative, which addresses care coordination, efficiency, quality, and patient satisfaction. Please join us in congratulating, each other for this first-of-a-kind Excellence Award, the Premier Healthcare Alliance Excellence Award. In other news, Bon Secours St. Francis Health System in Greenville, South Carolina is a winner in another first-ever award, the Hospital Charitable Services Award. The Hospital Charitable Services Award is sponsored by Jackson Healthcare. 2011 was the first year for the Jackson Healthcare Hospital Charitable Services Award that recognizes hospitals whose commitment to their community, whether defined locally, regionally, nationally, or globally, goes beyond community benefit and free care, and has led to innovative efforts to improve community health and increase access to healthcare education and services. According to Jackson Healthcare, all hospital-funded charitable programs are eligible to participate regardless of the size, tax, or ownership model. The National Awards Program was created by Jackson Healthcare to encourage the spread of best practice charitable programs and to build a community of individuals and hospitals around evidence-based approaches to community benefit and charitable services. Hospital programs were evaluated based on 5 criteria areas: community impact, innovation, collaboration, transferability, and best practices, and Bon Secours St. Francis Health System bowled them over with their good help in the Sterling community. In the Sterling community, Bon Secours St. Francis Health System maximized health by revitalizing the neighborhood. A couple of revitalization efforts for 2010 included the Odessa Street Organic Garden and the Sterling Community Land Trust. By the way, the Sterling Community Land Trust is the first of its kind of organization in South Carolina. According to Mark Nance, CEO of Bon Secours St. Francis Health System, I have been so impressed with the leadership and vision behind this initiative and from our Bon Secours ministry as a way to improve health and model social justice. The local system is led by Liz Keith, Senior Vice President of Mission, and Maxim Williams, Director of Community Relations Building. He went on to say that, "I'm proud to say that St. Francis has led and been a catalyst for many partners to come together and help this community transform at all levels." Please join us in congratulating Bon Secours St. Francis Health System in Greenville, South Carolina for this first ever Hospital Charitable Services Award. Finally, Bon Secours is queuing up for safety. Early this year, Bon Secours Health System will be introducing a new, first for Bon Secours, online incident reporting system called Quantros Safety Event Manager. The new online system is provided by Quantros, a leading software provider in the areas of safety, risk management, surveillance, and compliance. The idea is that Quantros Safety Event Manager will help Bon Secours improve its quality of care and the work environment, helping us provide good help from a safety perspective. Once it is implemented, Quantros will provide online access from any computer for all staff and physicians as well as patients and their families. It can be used anonymously if preferred, and it can be used to report incidents, safety concerns, compliments, and complaints by anyone. And anyone can access this user-friendly system, then follow the drop-down boxes and menus to quickly reach the page to type in his or her story. Staff will no longer need to complete the pink QCR form, but instead will go online to Quantros to submit an incident report. The system creates a record and provides real-time notification to department managers and quality patient safety and service line leadership. Quantros Safety Event Manager will be rolled out throughout Bon Secours Health System in phases. Now, each local system will receive education prior to going live, and special care will be taken to avoid installing Quantros Safety Event Manager in facilities during their Connect Care rollout. Be sure to watch for more information on when Quantros Safety Event Manager system will be coming to your facility. Well, that's it for this week. Stay tuned to this portal for future up-to-the-minute information on these and other stories on BSN Headline News. I'm Dave Schlachter. Thanks for joining us. BSN Headline News is a production of Bon Secours Productions and is solely responsible for its content.